Namaste and welcome to All About Lifestyle. This video is the part 1 of balcony makeover video where I have shown the making of a planter made of oil container, and second one is the painting of a tree on the wall and then added DIY pistachio birds on it. And part 2 will be up soon where you will see a balcony makeover using trash. I mean to say it will be under budget. So let's begin with the video. This is the wall in my balcony where I have drawn a rough guideline of a tree using pencil. And now started painting it using white enamel paint or oil paint. And I have used the white color because the color of the wall is brick red, so white will give contrast to it. Painting the branch of a tree, you can use flat brush, and for making the leaves you can use thick round brush. After painting, the tree appears like this. Now for making the birds, I have used the pistachio shells and then painted them yellow so that my wall will be colorful and the birds will be clearly seen on the tree. And then using two-way tape, I made them stick on the wall. Now using black marker, I have drawn the beak, eyes and legs of the birds. Using marker is easy than using paintbrush, so I went with the marker for drawing. This is how my wall turned out after painting, and it is looking very beautiful. And some birds are not meant to be caged, that's all I want to say. Next comes the lady planter using oil container. For making this you need an oil container, pom-pom, paints, brushes. Now this is the empty oil container and I have washed it properly. And to cut it, I have used a sharp knife, and please be careful while doing so. I've made a cut so that I can insert a planter with a plant. Now for making the face, I have painted it white using oil paint. For making the eyes and brows, I have used black marker, and that is thick one. The tip of the marker is thick. For making the lips, I have used red marker. And for making the headband, I have used the pom-poms and now sticking them using Fevicol. To hang it on the wall, I made 2 holes on both the sides using a drilling machine and then tied a rope so that it can easily get hung on the wall in my balcony. Now added this planter in it. Look, the grass is looking like it is the hairs of the lady. So my Sleeping Beauty planter is ready and it is looking so cute. Hope you have liked the ideas and stay tuned for the next video. Please subscribe the channel for cool and interesting videos. Don't forget to like the video and share it with your friends and family. Thanks. Bye bye. We'll see you in my next video.